Welcome back guys, CryptoFly channel. Today we'll talk about XMR, Monero, targets and updates. Let's dive in. Yes guys, you remember this global chart for Monero, and this is just in theory, the channel, what I drove for this token, and you can go and find the main boom plan video for this token. And Monero, it's a great example. So if the Binance delist some token, it's not unnecessary. So this token will go to zero, like Reef, like Lena, or many other tokens. Yes, we dump it. You remember that time when Binance decided to delist Monero. I guess this was that week. So we dump it 41%. Some of coins which Binance just made an announcement about delisting, dump it in 15-minute time frame candle, like minus 60%. 75%. Monero dump it and recover back. So Monero dump it to $101, not grab this low of June 22. So in theory, yes, we can drop again to this level like 97, but I'm not sure we'll drop now. So just in case. Technically, yes, format the actual lows. By logic, we should drop and sweep that lows, and the channel can be a little bit on angle, but I'm not sure. Now we bounced a pretty good one after the listing, and it was like over than 100%, I guess. Yes, 141%. I'm not buying the XMR, because it's kind of risky, but this is a great example of community. And when the people use the Monero, they trade on other exchanges, but based on some rules, some laws, maybe, I don't know, Binance decide to delist it. So this is a privacy token. I will be not surprised if the Binance will delist many other also privacy tokens. Now the Zcash on the monitoring tag and the votes for delisting Horizon, this token being on the monitoring tag, but Binance removed the tag and it's everything okay with Horizon. We'll see what will happen next. But if this channel is correct, because in a moment we can't know if this channel is correct. So this is global chart since May 14. This is a top, and this is a touch. I'm not a fan of channels. On a line chart, it kind of looks like this one. So a little bit, smaller one channel. But the equilibrium of this channel, it can be around, I guess, 337 over than this high, and this high. I don't think so. We're going to hit the new all-time high, like third touch. No, most likely not. I think, yes, the most positive case scenario, it's hard to say by timing. Maybe it's going to be the October, November. Yes, it's around 351, 54. So just in case, if you believe in Monero, you can accumulate it and fix a profit over the equilibrium. And I want to show you with indicator set. So potential scenarios, this was a delisting on a Binance. We can trade like this one and one more impulse up. After that, we can go to, I don't know, to November 28, June, April, February, maybe 2027, this one. To 141. So we can't know. If you believe in new all-time high, guys, of course, by timing, it should be around, I don't know, around $600. So this one. So maybe it's going to be the 2026. It's hard to say by timing. I personally don't believe in a new all-time high for Monero. So it's my take. I'm more than sure we will go higher than 350, for example, equilibrium, and drop it back. So to form the second touch at the bottom here. But of course, guys, all of these channels is just in theory. We can hide the channel. This was a FIB. So guys, I highly recommend you go and check the free video about the bull run plan for the Monero. So now this is just an update. So here, this is was a top. This is support bounce 27 block. We bounced it from that block's accumulation zone for Monero. It's absolutely still the same. So it's $109 and $78. Should we drop so low now? Nobody knows. Maybe the channel a little bit an angle like this one, right? So the channel can be this support line, so it can be 344, for example, 0.5 level by Fib, and after that drop and sweep of that, take your lows again inside 27 block to $88. It's possible. That's why, guys, all of that trend lines and the channels, it's just in theory, because after the fact, it's easy to show the channel. Now we can't know, because there's million variation how we can draw the channel. Right, and we can drop the channel. So this two tops, it can be just a test of equilibrium, if you believe in new all-time high for Monero. So guys, we work with the current data. So by my personal opinion about Monero, and by my feelings, by my analysis, I more than sure we will hit this cycle around 344, 385, but not new all-time high. Zone of accumulation absolutely still the same, and will be the same, I guess, for the next year or the two. This one, when, nobody knows. If we go to new all-time high, of course, this fee will be invalidated, and the next zone for new all-time high will be 731, and we have to redraw. So 27 block will be a little bit different. So we can hide the fee, and let's double check, guys, with the indicator set, what's going on now. With this token on weekly time frame. ADZ I can't show it because it's a crypto, not from some exchanges. What is good and what is bad? This kind of bad. So we get a signal to sell, we bounce it, sell, drop, no signal to buy. Of course, we need to see some more signal like this one, but guys, it's kind of risky. That's why I'm not a fan of Monero. I'm not a fan of privacy tokens. I never use it, in real life. I don't know in what's exact purpose the people use Monero, but everybody use it for your own. Take a look. This was a capitulation April 2024 at 104. This is Afria. A monthly time frame, guys. This is a positive. That's why I believe in one more leg up to the 344, for example, to the top here, and to the Afria all-time high, not all-time high, Afria maybe like this level. So this was a top, and this is a top, and one more top, but lower on the chart. If you believe in new all-time high, of course we can hit the new all-time high like $600 to test this block like like resistance again. But it's hard to say about the timing, guys. If it's October 2025, it can be like 600, 580, 85. Just in theory, guys. And of course, at that time will be the market mood at the top. Now I'm not sure to invest in this token or not. I'm skip it. A lot of tokens now which in a much better position than Monero. But if you bought it here, you could already withdraw initial deposit, leave free tokens, and sleep well. Monthly time frame, it was a sell, buy back. Weekly time frame, guys, take a look. What I like, what I don't like. Sell, drop, buy back, sell. This was a sell, no signal to buy back. But here you could track how it played out before. Technically, guys, if the market recover back, and the alts will hit, I don't know, will hit new highs, and BTC dominance will be under 60%, 50%, yes, Monero, I think, will follow the uptrend. So technically on the daily, it was the last signal to buy. Here's another one. Take profit, sell. Here's a recommendation, close position. So most interesting for me, it's money power and take profit. What I like, what I don't like here. This is a money outflow. June 24, RSI bearish divergence, so it's not a good one. For Monero, monthly money inflow after the listing, and this is we at the top, but without any money outflow. So we need to see some money outflow like here. So technically, guys, yes, I repeat again, all targets, what I showed you before, relevant. Monthly buy line, guys, 102. I don't know what should happen now with the all markets. So Monero will dump to 102, like 50% down. Weekly time frame, we tested. Here's a buy line. Buy line for Monero now it's 111. Also, I don't think so. We will hit that target now. For the Mel Wallet of this token, 83. daily, we're just in the middle. I don't like trade something like this one. So the buy line is 146, exit line 290, exit take profit 290, exit line 327. With a weak candle, it's going to be the test of equilibrium, 0.5 lower by FIB, 344. So guys, all targets I showed you. My take is, I don't believe in all-time high. My highest point for Monero this run is 344, 375, for example, and the correction down again into bear market. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in a comment what do you think about Monero. Highly recommend you go and check the free video bull run plan for Monero, what I posted, I guess, in 2023. If you would like to trade with my customer set, just write me a DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.